Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever lost important files, photos, videos, or documents by accident, then Tenorshare 4ddig is one of the best recovery tools you can get. And the good news is you don't have to pay full price. I've got fresh coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 that will save you big. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the best deal. 4ddig by Tenorshare is a powerful data recovery software that works on Windows and Mac. It can recover deleted files, lost partitions, formatted drives, SD cards, USB-S, and even crashed systems. Whether it's personal files or business data, this tool brings them back in just a few clicks. And right now, with these coupon codes, you can get it at the lowest price of the year. Here are the codes you can try. 4ddig30, save up to 30% off any plan. Tenor 20, extra 20% off for new customers. Data 25 off, flat 25% off on lifetime licenses. Save 10 now, additional 10% off site-wide. Free month 4D. Get 1 month free with select subscription plans. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. If you've lost files, every minute counts. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and recover your data with 4ddig today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more coupon codes and software tips, and let me know in the comments which plan you grabbed. See you in the next one.